In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize a new dashboard for your project. Dashboards are a vital tool for visualizing data and keeping track of various metrics all in one place. Whether you're managing a business or just keeping an eye on a project's progress, a well-organized dashboard can be an essential resource. So let's dive in and get started with creating one from scratch. First things first, you'll begin by navigating to the dashboard section of your software or platform. This is typically found in the main menu or within the analytics or reporting sections, depending on the tool you're using. Once you're there, you'll notice a button or link labeled something along the lines of dashboards. Go ahead and click on that to proceed. This will bring you to a page displaying all of your current dashboards, if any, and options to manage them. Now let's move on to adding a new dashboard. Look for the option that says plus new dashboard or something similar in phrasing. This is usually prominently displayed somewhere on the page, often at the top or to the side, making it easy to find. When you click this button, you'll be prompted to either choose a template or start with a blank slate. For the purposes of this demonstration, starting from scratch gives us the most flexibility, so we're opting for the blank dashboard option. Once you have your new empty dashboard open, it's time to bring it to life by adding some widgets. Widgets are the building blocks of dashboards, offering various ways to display your data visually. You might have options for graphs, charts, tables, and other forms of visual data representation. Think about what information is most important for you to see at a glance. For instance, if you need to track sales data, a line chart or bar graph might be ideal. If monitoring progress on tasks is your goal, a pie chart or a Kanban widget might work best. To add a widget, look for an Add Widget button or link within your dashboard. Click it and you'll see a selection of widget types and templates. Select the one that fits your needs best, and then you'll have the opportunity to configure it. This might involve selecting the data source, tweaking settings like date ranges or categories, and customizing appearance options such as colors and layout. Take the time to adjust these settings carefully to ensure your widget displays the data in the most effective way possible. Finally, don't forget to save your dashboard once you're satisfied with the layout and information it provides. Many platforms autosave, but it never hurts to manually save to ensure all your changes are recorded. Now you have a fully customized dashboard tailored to give you quick insights and keep you informed on what's happening in your project. With practice, you can continue to refine and expand your dashboard to suit your ever-changing needs. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy dashboarding!